What's included in the course, you might be asking. Here is a timeline of what is covered in the course. Day 1, you start with opening up your bank accounts. Day 2, you look at where your business is at now. Day 3, you look at where you want your business to be. Day 4, you come up with a plan for how to get from where you are now to where you want to be. And day 5, you start using the Profit First system. Each day in the course comes with instructional videos to help you understand the concepts and the calculations that need to be done. Also included are the tools you need to simplify the calculations. Profit First uses percentages, as we have mentioned, so that means there are going to be calculations that need to be done, but our tools make these calculations a breeze. Each course comes with one 60-minute personalized strategy session. In this session, we will look over the calculations that you have done in the course to give you that warm and fuzzy feeling that you are starting off on the right foot. We will also answer any questions you have about Profit First so that you are truly ready to start using the Profit First system at the end of the course. To maximize the value of this personalized strategy session, it takes place after you have been through all 5 days of the course so that you can get all your questions answered. The course also includes a private Facebook group where you can ask any general questions you have about Profit First, as well as interact with other business owners that are also on their Profit First journey. The course also includes daily handouts to expand on the information in the videos and/or give you some checklists of the steps that need to be completed that day.